Alright everyone, we are doing a turmeric honey mask that brightens, tones, moisturizes, and cleanses the skin. It's 3 tablespoons of almond milk, half a tablespoon of Manuka honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Manuka honey decreases bacteria that infects pores and balances your skin's pH level. Almond milk is full of antioxidants that prevent wrinkles and fine lines. IHeartNature powder contains turmeric, Indian healing clay, red sandalwood, and fenugreek. Now the organic turmeric powder brightens skin. Red sandalwood powder reduces blemishes. Organic fenugreek powder has anti-aging effects that moisturizes skin. Indian healing clay removes toxins and exfoliates skin. This face mask recipe has a serving size of 3 face masks. Link to the ingredients in the description box below.